Good morning, everyone. Now it's 7:30 in the morning. I am having some coffee at the beach. The weather's very nice. Today we are going to learn two phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Phrasal verb number 1, back somebody up. Back somebody up means to support. For example, my wife backed me up over my decision to quit my job. My wife backed me up over my decision to quit my job. Phrasal verb number 2, blow up. Blow up means to explode. For example, the racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. Okay guys, now you have to repeat these phrasal verbs so that you can memorize them. If you like the video, please share the video and hit the like button. Oh, by the way, the weather today is a little bit chilly. Chilly means cold. You can take a look like this. It's a very nice weather. Okay guys, see you next video. Bye!